Hi guys, welcome back to my amazing kitchen. And if you are new here, kindly join the amazing family by subscribing. Today we are making some Ghana salad. Ghana salad. Ghana salad. Ghana salad. Yeah. Yana ankada infantofo yepe concert ati. Let's make some salad, guys. If you are going for that authentic Ghana salad, you definitely need some corned beef, some baked beans, preferably Heinz, some chopped tomatoes, grated carrots. You may also use chopped carrots, some sweet corn, sliced cucumber. You may slice them in any shape or form, finely sliced red onion. And I also have two types of lettuce. I have your regular lettuce and iceberg lettuce, but you may use any lettuce that you prefer. So because I'm using two types of lettuce, I'm going to combine them first before I proceed with the making of the salad. But if you're using just one type of lettuce, you obviously don't need to do this step. Ghana salad, just like any other salad, is really easy to make, but it is the layering of the salad that makes this salad a very special one. So we are going to start by adding our lettuce, and you want to spread it out well, and then add your chopped tomatoes. You don't have to follow the order that I'm using. You may also add your cucumbers first before your tomatoes. It doesn't really matter. So you take your time and spread out all the ingredients evenly. So in goes my sliced onions. Now I'm adding my shredded carrots. You may also chop your carrots if you prefer. I'm going in with my sweet corn, and you want to distribute it evenly so you have the end of the salad in mind when you are layering it. Every scoop of salad should have everything that you are putting in it. Now I add my corned beef. And I use my hands to break it apart so I can spread it evenly. And then my baked beans. I think to me the perfect Ghana salad should have the corned beef and the baked beans. You also want to season your salad with some black pepper and some white pepper. Some people use sardines and tuna, but that classic Ghana salad definitely must have corned beef in it. Now that our salad is perfectly seasoned, we are going to add our boiled eggs, and you want hard boiled eggs for this, and I'm using my egg slicer, but you may use your hand or a fork, anything that gets the job done, and distribute that evenly as well. And as soon as we've added our eggs, the first layer of the salad is done. So I'm going to go over with my tomato ketchup. Yes, I know some people find it weird, but Ghana salad has ketchup in it and some salad cream. And Heinz salad cream will give you that authentic Ghana salad flavor. But if you don't have it, you may use any other salad cream that you prefer. We are now going to go over with our second layer. And what you do is to repeat what we have already done. So you add your lettuce, then your tomatoes, your carrots, your cucumber, and all the rest of the vegetables that you have. So I'm going to add my cucumbers and my sweet corn and the rest of my vegetable and finish off my second layer. At this stage, my bowl is full, so this is going to be my final layer. So you want to decorate it beautifully. This is how I like to have mine today. Sometimes I like to arrange the vegetables on top, but today this is what I'm going for. I add my salad cream and then my ketchup. And if you're not serving it immediately, don't add a lot of salad cream and ketchup. Just look at a perfectly layered salad. This is how you want your salad to be. Now look at your rich and loaded Ghana salad. It complements your Ghana jollof so well. I mean, they are not the perfect duo for no reason. So if you haven't tried Ghana salad before, boy, you are missing out. Try it and you won't regret it. So guys, remember that cooking should always be fun and exciting. So try to cook each meal with love and see it radiate through the hearts of your family. Thank you so much for watching guys, and see you in my next video. Bye!